This is my parents' garden here in a province mountain. They have wide garden. First, they plant rice. After they harvest the rice, they will plant ginger. That's ginger, sweet potatoes, bananas, cassava, taro, obi, anything else. That grass is a lemongrass from their Kovo's garden, and that is a view there in the garden. That's a beautiful view. Now I will show you how to make rice in the mountain. This is how to make rice by hands here in a mountain because have no machine. You have to stick, two people working it. That's a brown rice. They have I don't know how many different kinds. Brown rice, purple rice, some white rice. Next video, I'm going to show you guys how to plant rice in the mountain.
Ba dito ho kung tayo eh.
Ara daw. Kaya na, aga na pala ka.
Ano pagkat lang eh.
And nanay ginatahop. I don't know what's called in English. Take out the skin from the rice. Nanay is we're going to separate the have skin. We still have skin. Separate to the pure rice. This is purple rice.
Asuran tay ikaw betay. Aw.
Tandog isa ko.
Baboy ang kulay, hinahin ni mama, baboy ang kulay.
Lula. Thank you.
Kun ini picturean mo iya tong ganay.
And this is final rice. That's pure rice already. Nanay already separate the half skin. That's it for today's video, everyone. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my YouTube channels, like, share, and comment. Bye.